E aí, gente, B.E.D por aqui. Today, I'm going to show you how to develop a recipe for a liqueur. Now, the recipe that I'm going to work on is that Brazilian coffee that I've been talking about for a little while, specifically with that extract of coffee that I created with cachaça. And for this, we're going to need that extract with cachaça, that high alcohol base that we brewed up in another episode that I will link to. Now, normally when you use an extract, you want to use 1 part extract with 4 parts what you're mixing with, but Brazilians typically drink their coffee strong. So I'm going to start out with a 2-to-1 mix, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. So we're going to go ahead and get a 1/2 cup of the coffee extract. Full cup of this. Ooh, that smells beautiful. The high alcohol base. That is a full cup. Now I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of honey. And I'm going to mix this in, but I won't make you watch the entire process of mixing it in. Now honey, when it's cold, is really, really thick. So it's going to take me a little while to get this all stirred in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, I really like that a lot. That's still got that cachaça flavor. It's got that really robust coffee. So it does require a little bit more sweetness. I'm going to add another teaspoon of honey. So that's 2 teaspoons of honey to 1/2 cup of coffee extract and 1 full cup of the liqueur base. And again, I'm going to go ahead and mix this in, and I'll just be right back. All right, so let's give this a try. Well, for me, the taste is fine, but it is missing that mouthfeel, and so I do need to add some glycerin. That's something that I'm going to have to go pick up, but the flavor overall is really, really spot on, and I'm very happy with this. So if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to hit that like button, and next week we'll be working with gin flavors in this alcohol base. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you get notifications when it comes out.